Dear students, today topic is Narcotic and Psychotic Substance Act and Rules 1985. So we have already discussed in first session about objectives, definitions. Now we will discuss about authorities and officers, constitution and function of Narcotic and Psychotic Consultative Committee, National Fund for Controlling the Drug Abuse, Prohibition, Control and Regulation. And so first is that is authorities and officer. So in this, that is central government takes measure for preventing and combating abuse of and illicit traffic, that is illegal trading, selling and dealing in narcotic drugs. So in this for coordination of action, there are various officers are there of state government and other authorities under this act. The next is that is under any other law for time being enforced relating to enforcement of provision of this act, obligation under the international convention. Then some assistant to concerned authority in foreign countries and regarding prevention and suppression of illicit trafficking in narcotic drug, certain international organizations are there, and for identification, treatment and education, aftercare, rehabilitation and social reintegration of addict. So some officers are appointed. Next is other matters for effective implementation of this act and preventing and combating the abuse of narcotic and psychotic substance and illicit traffic therein. Next is your second officer of central government. There are some officers are appointed. So they perform activities like supervision of cultivation of opium poppy, production of opium and other function as may entrusted to him central government. Next is state government also appoint officers to do this function also. Next is your the Narcotic and Psychotic Substance Consultative Committee. So in this committee, it is central government by notification of official gazette, an advisory committee is formed, that is known as the Narcotic, Drug and Psychotic Substance Consultative Committee. In this committee, there are chairmen and also members, that is maximum 20 members should be there. Then it is advised the central government on such matter relating to administration of this act, and this is referred by that government from time to time. Next is your what are the prohibition, control and regulation. In prohibition, certain operations are going on as per section 8. In this, no person should cultivate coca plant or gather any portion of coca plant or cultivate opium poppy or any cannabis plant. Next is prohibition to produce, manufacture, possess, sell, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import, that is either interstate export or interstate import into India, export from India or transit any narcotic or psychotic substance. So there are prohibition of this type of. Next is your power of central government to permit, control and regulate. That is subject to prohibition of section 8. The central government may rules that is permit and regulate. First is your cultivate or gathering of any person, such cultivation or gathering being only account of central government. That is cultivation or gathering of any person of coca plant or production, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate use of or consumption of coca leaves. So this permission should be given. Next, second is your cultivation. That is cultivation of opium, poppy. Also a power of central government to permit, control and regulate. Next, third is your production and manufacture of opium and production of poppy straw. Fourth is your sale of opium and opium derivative from central government factories for export from India or sale to state government or to manufacture chemists. Last one is your manufactured drugs, but not include manufacture of medicinal opium or any preparation containing any manufactured drug from materials which the maker is lawful entitled to possesses. Next is your manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption and use of psychotic substance. Also control or power of central government to control. Next is your import into India and export from India and transshipment of narcotic drug and psychotic substances. Next is your prescribe any other matter that is related to effective the control of central government and over any of the matters specified in clause A. The second is your in particular and with pre-judicate to generalize of foregoing power. Such rules are, that is, first is your empower central government to fix from time to time the limits within which license may be given for cultivation of opium poppy. So central government have power to give license for cultivation of opium poppy plant and it is fixed from time to time. Second is your all require that all opium produce of land cultivate with opium poppy shall be delivered by cultivator to the officers and authorized in this behalf by central government. Next is the prescribe the forms and conditions of the license for cultivation of opium poppy and also for production of and manufacture of opium. The fees may be charged and the authority by which such license is granted, withheld, refused or cancelled, the authority before which appeals against the order of withholding, refusal or cancel of license shall be liable. The next is your prescribe that opium shall be weigh, examine, classify according to the quality and consistence by the officer authorized in this behalf by central government in the presence of cultivator at the time of delivery by the cultivator. Also employ central government to fix time to time the price to be paid to the cultivator for the opium delivered. Next is your provide the government examination classification according to quality and consistency and optimum received at the factory and reduction from or addition to the standard price to be made in accordance with the result of such examination. The authority by which the decision will be made with regard to government examination, classification, reduction and addition shall be made, and authorities before which appeals against such decision shall be laid. Next is your require that opium delivered by the cultivator, if found as a result of examination in the central government factory to be adulterated, then the confiscated by the officer authority in this behalf. Prescribe the form and condition of the license for the manufacturer or manufactured drug, the authority by which such license may be granted and fees may be charged with thereof. So these are the conditions, and other are, that is prescribed form and the conditions of license or permit for the manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption or use of the psychoactive substance. The authority by which such license or permits may be granted and fees may be charged thereof. Prescribe the ports and other places at which any kind of narcotic drugs or psychoactive substance may be imported into India or exported from India, or transshipped. The forms and condition of certificate, authorization or permit, as the case may be. So such import, export or transshipment, the authority by which the such certificate, authorization or permit may be granted and the fees may be charged thereof.